I'm trying to get a job.
What you been doing? What the fuck? That, huh? What you been doing nowadays?
No, I'm just chilling, dog. Looking for jobs.
Oh my days, bro.
Wait, are you out of university?
That's how we're talking now, bro.
Yeah, motherfucker.
Oh, they let you graduate?
Yeah, motherfucker. About time.
They let you. How's the missus, bro? She alright?
Hey, she good. She good. We chilling.
Hell yeah.
Now shut the fuck up.
My man.
Y'all motherfuckers killing my. Hey, I'm gay here. I don't know what you guys talking about.
Right, man, right.
Are we just going in there? Fucking no boat.
Whoa. Wait, who is this? Oh.
What's up, boy?
Oh,
The timing, man.
Yeah, they won't be here, guys. We should stop right next time and be like, all right, guys, let's go hit this shit. You wanna?
They know we're hitting.
You wanna do it?
They know we're hitting.
Might as well start swimming, bro, before they set up.
Just go, bro.
Yeah, let's go. I'm doing it right now. Should I get a plate or some shit?
Yeah, take this. Go get a boat. Someone go get a boat. We'll swim there.
God, stop that ring, that water ring.
Let's go.
All right, somebody come with me if I can get the boat because I don't have.
Yo, Buddha's calling me now.
I don't have a.
Yo, what's up, Lang?
Hey, Ramee, are you guys gonna hit the yacht?
Yeah, I think we're setting up right now for it.
All right, sounds good. You're about to get clapped by Raptors, just so you know.
Okay.
Keep an eye on the score, buddy.
This is the tiebreaker.
Yeah, keep an eye on it.
Yeah,
We're gonna fuck win tonight. So.
Have a good one.
How we gonna vote?
Hey, negative winning record.
Shut the fuck up.
Yep, have a good one. Was that Tony in the car with him?
Mickey was there.
So they're just low-key clapping fucking Tony or Mickey.
Did they say they're gonna fight?
Hit it?
No, he asked me if we were hitting it.
it.
I told him, I don't know. I told him, yeah, we're hitting it. He said, okay.
So what are you saying? You're gonna get murked or some shit?
Oh, he's talking about the Raptors game. They're playing the Celtics again today.
Ah.
Imagine talking about such bad teams in basketball. Couldn't be me, man.
I don't think they're gonna fuck with us. I think if X was around, they would have.
Yeah, X was 100%.
I think X gives them that like confidence boost to like fucking fuck with us.
Yeah, I'm gonna drop it.
You have a joint?
Actually, I mean, I'll just.
So, bitch, boy, you have a joint?
No boys.
Sorry,
Boys. GG. No boat. Good luck.
Baby, you have a joint?
Can't you rat one?
Oh, yeah.
Please, man. Thank you. Damn, not many.
And there's not enough of them to do anything anyway. There's only 2 of them. Yo, how far does this Dragunov reach? Anybody know?
What's
like
up?
an AK, no?
Should I try?
I'm gonna be real, Ramee. That shit's fucking dog shit.
Are you serious?
It's fucking ass, bro. It's not like a sniper.
The fuck?
It's like a pen foul.
Scope in,
From
bro.
COD?
I feel like if it actually zoomed in, it'd be good, but it doesn't even
Bro, who the
zoom
fuck
in
took
on
my AK,
your
man? Why
first
you guys
sight.
play around so much?
Your first sight.
You take his AK?
Randy. Yeah,
Yeah.
Randy.
Yo, let's go check in. Let's go do it.
Yeah, this is the type of shit that actually triggers.
That actually mauls me
I
too,
know.
bro. I don't know. That shit's so annoying. He's gonna flip. Could be funny.
I ain't gonna keep it, bro. I was just holding it.
Yeah, but Curtis gets triggered at the small shit.
Yeah, Curtis is
It'll-
already seeing red,
even
bro.
after you give him
Where
it
you
back,
at?
he'll still be mauled about it for like 10 minutes.
Come to
Gonna
the
clap all
yacht.
5 of us, bro.
We have no hostage, nothing.
Who gives a fuck, bro? We don't need one. Do we?
Okay.
I mean,
When
I think we
52
do.
cops start shooting us, bro, don't say, oh, we don't need one.
Fuck, you're right.
They shoot you with a
Oh, you guys
hostage.
should get a
Without, bro, we're
hostage.
getting bombed.
Yeah. Yo, what do you honestly? One of you guys should scoop somebody up from Dean's World. We kind of fucked up on that. No, well, it's fine that we're here though, because the point of us being here was to fucking hold this
forever.
place down. Okay, we should grab Lang.
Hostage? I mean, if you want.
Yeah.
Wait, somebody took his AK?
Yeah, it's on the yacht here. You left it. We were all running and he just left it in the car, so I picked up.
Yeah, you left in the yacht, man. You left in the yacht. Yeah, man.
No, he left it in the glove box. He just ran off, you know?
We ran out. We're still in the car, right?
Oh, I thought you were swimming. My bad.
Shut the fuck up, bro.
Shoot it. Yeah, fire reaches. What do you mean? When you turn such a bitch, bro? Come on.
It doesn't even reach the fucking
Is
stick,
that
man.
far?
Stick. No,
It's not a sniper, so it's just fucking 10 foul.
What is? I don't even know what that is. Does this hurt?
Chill, bro. What do you mean does it hurt? It's a gun.
Oh, so now you value your life.
Yeah. I learned from Brittany Angel.
She doesn't value her life, though.
Yeah, but I'm trying to change.
Yeah, but Brittany Angel's not trying to change.
Oh, man, you talking all that shit like, yeah, I'm the big boss, bro. Fuck CB. Now you're talking about games with him, huh? What's going on?
Fuck you
his
talking
best
about,
friend?
dumb fuck?
Talking about basketball?
He talked about that to me, dumbass.
Hey, yo, man. You gonna go see the game together?
Yeah, man, we're gonna make out after too while we're at it.
Hell yeah.
Guy guns Mickey down. Now all of a sudden he's big boss man.
Yeah, 100%. Fuck Mickey.
What did he say? What was he saying?
I'm
Bruh,
so
you-
down to kill
so-
somebody, not gonna lie.
At the start, he was just saying dumb shit like, "Oh, you guys can't
This
hit this
dumbass
shit,"
motherfucker.
and he's being all like, "Oh, but you need us, man, because if we don't complete this and you guys don't get anything,
But
and
what was
everyone
the
loses."
trigger? What was the trigger that made you say, "All right, fuck this motherfucker"? Let's do it."
So K, he was walking away from K, right? And we're like, "Bro, drop your fucking gun, stop walking away." Hush tackles him, puts him in cuffs, takes his guns, and we release him. And then he's like, "K, can I get my money back?" I'm like, "Bro, shut the fuck up, go hit this shit, man. What are you doing, bro? Why you keep talking?" And then he's like, "Actually, I don't want the money, man. You guys probably need it more than I do anyway." Like, gunned him down. Dude doesn't just shut up.
Yeah, he just kept talking. Who the fuck is he to say we need to do it before that? We're the only ones who can fucking hack it, other than Marty. The fuck?
Yeah, bro, is Tony even hacking nowadays?
No, is Mickey?
I had to do thermite for them, bro. What are they on about? I had to thermite a Polito
A
for
fucking
them.
kindergarten game, man. Like,
Oh god, shit, I can't do it. Yo.
You can do thermite. You're just lazy to even try.
a fucking 3-year-old
Got a
nephew can
heli,
fucking
but
do thermite.
we couldn't find boats.
Listen, guys, I know you don't like them, but like you're talking shit about everybody you two right now. You know that, right?
Yeah, you guys are kind of weird, man. Like, you know, you guys are actually dog shit.
You know, Randy, you'll honestly fuck these motherfuckers. Let's just hit the shit.
How
Let's
can they gonna do
bro.
fucking shapes and colors, bro? Fuck me. You done that shit in year 2.
Yeah, Randy.
Guys,
Randy, you want to split this shit up, bro? Me and you?
Who the fuck are we rolling with, bro? You don't know shapes, rectangle, purple?
Wrong with a fucking clown, bro. Literally a fucking clown.
You can't remember 5 fucking numbers,
Hey,
huh?
better watch your fucking mouth. It's a fucking mind now. Come for it. Bitch, slap your ass back and change dick.
Text.
Hey,
fuck,
dick,
oh,
hey,
fuck,
damn.
I forgot.
Bro.
I lost it.
At least I can do it, bitch.
God. Oh god.
I don't have.
They don't know what to do, bro. Tell them. You have to begin overrides. Taco, do it.
No.
No. Somebody who knows where to find look for the envelopes.
I don't know.
No one does. It's just me and you.
Okay, it's literally me and you gonna fucking do this shit.
I hold the yacht down,
Alright,
boys.
yo,
Hold the
Randy,
yacht down.
you don't do it. Don't. Whoever.
Alright, for sure. I got this. I got this. Trust.
Listen, you two run around. 4 of us will hold the hostage, okay?
What hostage?
Good
Alright.
shit, man.
It's overridden. It's overriding.
4 of us
will hold the hostage, man.
What hostage do we have?
Exactly,
Yo,
man.
pick. Sir Lee is or dumbass. Sorry.
What the fuck? I thought I was in on it. I'm the hostage?
This guy don't got a gun, right?
Yeah,
Fucking
you're
working,
hostage,
boys. Pick him up.
Hold him up.
Okay. Oh, fake, bro. Fake,
The plan the
bro.
whole time, bro.
Yo, low key, 2 of you should run to, or 3 of you should swim to Dean's World real quick and then just go get a hostage.
True. We are so fucked, man.
Do it, for real, do it. Instead of standing there, let's just go to Dean's World and get a
Alright,
hostage.
bro. Swimming. I'm swimming.
Are we good to search, by the way?
Yeah. We don't even have a boat, Taco.
I've got 3 envelopes.
For real, bro.
Fuck 3.
Yeah.
It's been live for 40 seconds, are you, Ramee?
Oh, Jesus.
Guys, you have 4 minutes left.
I've got 5.
I have none yet.
4.
Oh my god, none of my spots have any. You're probably gonna get all of them.
I've got 6.
Oh my god.
7.
None of my. I'm almost done. I don't have anything yet.
Yeah, I'm useless, bro. I'm useless. So you tell me the ladder on Dean's World doesn't work no more?
Oh no. it
Really? Yeah, you can't go up it. What?
That's good. That's good. The cops can't fucking flank us.
It's actually really, yeah, it's actually good as fuck. Not gonna lie.
I have 2. The rest are with you, bro. I'm done.
I got 9, 10.
All right, we have
on
them.
me.
Yeah, I have 2. That's crazy, bro.
Not well, I'm underneath the docks.
Do you know how to do this shit with the envelopes?
Yes, sir. Yeah, I did it with K,
All right.
I think.
You want me to take them or you want them?
You want to do them? I don't mind.
Up to you. I don't give a fuck.
Can you do it?
Yeah, probably. Yeah.
Oh, then you do it. Probably. Ah,
I've
fuck
never
it,
done
you
them, to
go.
be honest with you. But yeah, let's do it. I usually K does them.
Coming up from the.
I
I can open them and then exit out of it, right? But not click
On
open,
the,
right?
Don't click
the jet
open.
ski
Yeah,
yeah.
Just use it.
Yeah, same.
This shit about to get fucked up.
I see.
We're better fill. We're not even
Right
at
to
the
your
first
left.
one.
Front.
Let me do it. Let me do it.
Okay, okay.
Cause you want to hack, right? So.
You can hack it. You did it, so we can. It's better you do it. Or if you want,
Yeah,
since it doesn't matter since we have them already, I can fucking do them. It don't matter.
You want to practice? I don't give a fuck.
Yeah, I'm low key kind of confident. Not gonna lie.
I then do it, bitch.
We got you. How many did we get from them? 6? Oh, bro,
6,
dude.
that's-
If we fucking
We'll get 12.
let's go, we'll be straight, bro. That means we don't have to this shit anymore. I don't think we should hit lower vol
Really?
anymore,
Because
by the
it
way.
just breaks.
Unless there's like unless we figure out the puzzle. By the way, I got actually never mind.
What? Tell me.
I don't know if it's like a leak or not, you know.
Say it. Say it.
I want to know. I like tea.
I was talking
so-
to Dean Watson back in my apartment, and I don't know if I should say it.
Apparently. Come on.
So apparently,
Oh.
I don't know
Oh?
if this is true. He said he's thinking about, you know, like say when there's like a hardcore county or whatever, that hacks are gonna be changed up or some shit. That'd be sick, right?
That'd be amazing.
Yeah, that'd be
Hardcore
super. That'd
county.
be super.
What if you
dope.
die? You're out.
I don't fucking know.
Make sure you never go on and shit.
That'd be crazy, bro. Hell no, fuck that. There's no way.
Hell
People
no.
wouldn't last. The cops would kill you every fucking 10 seconds.
Search, motherfucker.
I don't think that's even like a fucking leak, right?
I don't know. I didn't even heard of hardcore.
Yeah, apparently there's like a hardcore county or some shit. I don't even know, bro. Who knows now?
I honestly can't believe you would leak like something like so important. Like,
It's gonna be up on Reddit. Can't believe CG would do this again. Can't
They
believe
hate us, bruh. They hate us.
CG back at it again. You good, right?
Fuck me. All right. Number 1 is a dash.
Okay. Okay. You ever play Super Smash Brothers? When you
Yeah.
click on Ness, he always goes, okay.
I opened it by
Is that you
mistake.
guys at the beach?
What?
Yeah.
You're fucking with me, bro.
Bro,
No, you're not.
I don't want to leave this car. I want to get a boat.
I think you try to look again.
Yeah, but shouldn't we still have this car as well?
It's a
on top
clock.
of it?
Oh, easy. Let's go.
Alright, I'll go back.
Yeah,
You
go
pass
back,
me
go
the
back with
key,
me,
yeah.
You took a picture of this?
First one is a clock.
You have a mental picture of this?
Yeah, take a picture and put it in the. Like a clock emote, so that must be a clock.
I emailed it to you. Yeah, let's go.
Hey, no giving over here. I ain't got that panic.
Wait. This one, right?
Where the fuck is the fuck at? Yeah, this is it.
Huh?
Okay.
Yeah, this is the one.
Yeah.
I just use it, right?
Yeah. Don't exit out of it.
Wait,
though.
wait.
I think if you exit out of it, it fucks up. Like, wait for me to finish it and then exit out of it.
Okay, now open your thing.
Yeah.
8927.
Okay. Exit out of it or whatever, and then give it to me.
Drop
And then
it.
I'll keep them on me, or you just drop them. Honestly, fuck them. Just drop them.
Okay, number 2 is
Number 2.
a plus in the circle.
Plus. Yeah, circle plus. Wait. Actually, Flippy, did you did you put the pixel pad in? Cool, man. I didn't give a fuck either, bro.
Yeah, yeah,
Fuck you, bro.
I did.
Shitty ass fucking CS:GO player. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
No.
You hear this guy, Randy?
Same thing.
Yeah.
Like, this guy gets Onyx in a fucking console game. And he
What's
thinks
up,
it's
bro?
good.
Don't fucking see me, bro. Onyx, what's up? What are you eating?
I can't tell you.
Why?
I'll email you. I just don't want to tell people because it makes them mad.
Why? What is it, like filet
What?
mignon or some shit?
Oh, it's simple food. It's just
Oh,
No.
you like
The
to trick-
horse, bruh. The horse.
Oh, the horse is right here, Randito. You eating Takis or
Are
some
you
shit?
ready?
Yeah.
oh, bro. If I was eating Takis, I wouldn't be talking.
Open it and then don't exit out though. Keep it open, you know?
I'm not. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
I'm gonna open it. Don't open it yet.
Yeah.
Okay, 93.
Okay, give me 1 sec.
So it's up 9, and then page up 9, and then 2 arrows up.
Okay, next.
10,
Okay, next.
6.
That's it.
That's it. Only 3.
Okay. Go it my way.
Alright, did it?
Yeah.
That. Next one is what? Number 3 is.
Hey, when you do 10, do you up like page up once and then go down one?
Yeah.
Police boat. They
So left is
But you know what?
square
Hold on.
left, right?
We see a police boat
Where-
at the actual docks. So it means
Okay,
they're
so
taking
that
it out,
is
yeah?
Steam.
Oh shit.
Oh, fuck me. Steam 1, 2, 3, 4. Like which
You guys have
one?
a hostage already?
Yeah, they
What do
got
you
hostages
mean?
there, yeah.
So there should be like
Yeah,
a what?
hostages there, yeah.
One hostage.
There should be 4 envelopes with
Trying to
that,
find a
no?
boat, boys.
I know, I'm just sorting it out.
Yeah. I'll meet you down there.
You know, by the where you cook.
Air One's
in the
up.
docks?
They got Air One headed.
You guys have a hostage? We need a hostage here.
We
Are
have
you
one,
there?
yeah.
Okay.
What'd you say, Flippy? By where? You know the south side cooking in the lab where you cook. There's like those speedboats. Oh yeah.
I don't have a mask, yo.
yeah.
Anybody got a
Okay.
mask I can get?
Wait, there's a boat right beside what's the name now? Over here, beside the pier. When it's popped up.
Yes, this works. Thank you.
The dog.
Let's go. This works.
Okay, you want to get one of them?
Okay,
It's fine. It's
Ramee,
fine.
that's-
I got nothing
Ramee,
else,
Rami, I wasn't wearing that. What's going on? Let's send my
You
mask
gave
on
me
me.
that mask.
Ones. It's kind of.
No, I didn't.
Slow as
Yes, you
fuck.
did, dumbass. Shut the fuck up. What do you mean?
Oh, okay.
Fuck, you
Another
just
one.
dropped the mask for me.
No one's ever gonna be able to
No,
guess.
no.
Alright, I'm ready. I'm coming down.
Shut up.
Police boat is coming.
You guys aren't almost done, right, Rami? Or-
We're
who it
like
is.
30% done.
Okay. Okay.
I ain't got that panic for that interview. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Make sure this.
yeah,
So
wait.
this is number 1.
Steam 1, yes sir. I'm opening it now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, after
67?
looking for these cops.
Okay, 67. Hold on, don't do it yet.
Alright,
I'll
let
tell
me-
you when. So that's
Tell me when you're
up,
good.
up 6, up 6, right?
Yeah. Up 6, up 6. Or page up 6.
Next.
45.
Next.
31.
Perfect. Okay. Drop that one.
Number 2.
Okay.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Open it.
Yeah.
50.
Okay, hold on. Okay.
6.
Okay.
16. 1 6. 16.
Okay. Drop it.
Wow. You guys are so sexy.
Alright.
Usually Kay tells me how many I need to go up and shit, so I do it.
Yeah, I know. Casey was telling me the same.
All right, go.
3.
Hey, am I
All right.
good to open?
Open now.
Okay.
364. So up 6 and then up 3.
Okay.
Next one is 99. So I think that's just full on send it. I think. Just do up 9 and then up 8.
Okay.
And then 67.
Okay.
Alright, last one. You open it once.
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Open it.
Yeah.
51. So just up 5.
Okay.
62. Up 6 and then up 1.
Okay.
And then 20. You do up 2 and then down 1, I believe.
All right. Next one is 4, right? So down
4, so
arrow,
down arrow.
down circle.
Circle down, right?
Yeah.
It's upper laptop.
Let's go. Moment of truth. Let's run it. What'd you say? Sorry, I had my radio off.
Curtis, are you there, mate? Dumbass, are you
Hey,
there,
if we fail,
mate?
it is what it is. We already have it. We're just doing this.
You
No!
get- Oh my Jesus.
Yo, I don't want to fuck you anyways.
Fuck, Flippy, you open it, bro. Flippy, you wanna hack, man? You can do it.
It's an accident, man.
Flippy, let me
Accident,
answer. I
man.
don't know.
Okay, I'm back.
I mean, Curtis may answer.
Where are they?
Instead of getting the boat shit, I don't know where the fuck they're at.
You might be lockpicking.
Upper, you said, right?
Upper laptop.
Alright. Yeah, it don't matter. We already have the headsets, so we're doing this just to like practice and like get it done. Yo, what up, Kay?
Ramee, what you doing?
We're hitting the yacht right now, actually. We already had.
You on the yacht right now, hitting it?
Yeah. We got cops here already. About to do the upper laptop, man.
How many you got, just in case you need help?
How many we got? 6, right? I think we have 6.
Yeah.
All right, I'm on the roof with Francis cooking some mac.
All right. We'll hit you up when we're done, yeah?
All right.
All right,
Well,
peace.
we got 6
Yeah.
headsets ready.
Yeah, let's
too,
do
in
that
case-
shit today.
yeah.
All
All
right.
right.
All right, peace. I'm just UIRing, sorry.
Yeah, do your thing, bro. Easy
All right,
peasy,
I'm
lemon
ready.
squeezy.
Hello, Curtis.
Alright. Ready?
Yeah.
Don't open it yet. Wait.
Yep.
Here, open enter password. It's gonna be 452398.
452398.
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
Do I close this?
Just leave it open.
All right.
Just in case, you know?
Yeah.
Four two three one five. 42315. 42315. 42315. Oh my fucking god. It was green. I fucked up. Sorry. I fucked up.
Sorry, bro. Who gives a fuck?
Dude, what?
Alright.
I'm sorry. That's
Not
my
a big deal.
That's my fault.
That's alright.
That's my fault.
Matter.
Bruh. It was a warm up. It was a warm up.
Oh, it's fine. Yeah.
It's warm up. Trust me. It's warm up. I literally.
Did you get one at least?
Yeah, bro. No, bro. I looked at green and typed in black. I literally looked at green and typed. Like the second I hit enter.
We have a boat.
Okay, we're good.
Another boat.
Yeah.
We do have a boat.
Bro, I was literally looking at green and typed in black.
The water.
Oh, that's
Yo,
funny.
Taco, hella smart.
Come on, you gotta give that to him.
Like that shit.
Chat, I need. Look, not watch, Chad. I literally am. I just fucking brain farted. 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. Look, I'll show you. 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 5, 1, 2, 4. Dude, I'm so annoyed. Oh fuck, dude. Oh wait, sorry, wait. 5, 3, 4, 1, 2. Dude, I'm so annoyed. 5, 3, 4, 2, 5, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 2, 5, 3. Wait, sorry, wait. Bruh, I fucking brain farted the fuck out of that one. 5, 4, 2, 3, 1. Oh
I'm waiting for the
man.
boat to get here.
Am I fucking up? Oh,
Bro,
inner
I'm
shape
fucking
color.
difficult
My
these
bad.
days, man.
Am I washed right now? I'm washed, bro.
He can't
5,
get
1,
keys
2,
to
3,
the
4,
boat that I'm
5,
trying
1,
to
2.
Y'all are, and then, bro, and then people fucking coming in my eyes, man. I'm about to flip the fuck out, bro. Fucking Ramee viewers.
Curtis, hurry the fuck up, man.
What the fuck is Curtis talking about? Curtis trying to get smacked? What's going on?
Where you say, bitch?
Alright guys, they're having difficulty with the boats right now. They should be here very soon. Yeah. I know.
My bad.
I don't know what's
Bro,
going on.
what is? It's not even
We got
worth.
2 boats, boys. This
Not
is
even
not
worth.
gonna be enough. They're both fucking 2-doors.
I was gonna
They're
fucking say
two-seaters.
some shit. It's not worth.
I'm trying to find oh my
Curtis
God,
fucking malts too fucking easily, bro.
Yo, we should be fine.
Run, bro. Yeah, that should be fine. Yo, me and Randy are gonna jump out to the back.
Wait.
Just
Pretend like you're leaving.
Alright, yeah, we can pull up then. We can pick us up.
Alright, bet.
Pulling up.
Alright, they're on their way right here. They're pulling up. Alright, we are ready to go.
Ryan, literally, it was fucking.
Am I good to?
I brain
was
farted.
he
That's
now?
my fault. That's my bad. It's all good. Easy.
Let me know if anyone.
Are you dumb?
Oh my god.
Have a fucking good one. He's gonna go. That boat's going to jail, bro.
I knew that's exactly how you were thinking, bro.
What's up, Rainy?
Willie.
Yeah, I'm just talking to that fucking
Ramee, yeah.
I'm with Curtis.
Yeah, listen, she was inside.
Take my
She
fucking
was inside Mr. K's house, bro.
Yeah, we're not taking this at all. What the fuck?
Excuse me? She's probably just decorating, Rainy.
They're like way back there, bro.
That's the same shit she said. Are you guys building on this?
No. She's a decorator. She's an interior designer.
Oh, fine. I just trying to help you, bro. Now you treat me like an animal?
I'll head it over there right now. I'll get to the bottom of this.
Okay, I'll see you.
All right, bye.
Bro, we
Are they even
lost
chasing
the
us?
fucking...
Wait, what happened, Randy?
What happened? I brain farted.
You don't see a heli, right?
Literally looking at green and typed in black for some fucking reason. Nah, we're good.
Alright, we should just get a car and dip.
That was funny as fuck. Low key, that was hilarious. I'm like, yo, guys, I got this shit. First one, I fucking fail it. It was easy as fuck. Oh, shit. Hey, it's actually low-key fire that we have a yellow dongle.
Yeah, follow me.
I want to practice that more often, to be honest with you. Is that on us?
No. No, it's like leaving the local.
Do we have a car here?
No, I was trying to make that jump and make it look cool, but I fucked it up.
Let's just go up here to the right. Honestly, it's high key cringe as fuck that fucking. I don't know why chat is still fucking ranking hackers. Like, who gives a fuck? You guys still rank like fucking me, Randy, Marty, like chat. The fact that this conversation is still even fucking being had. You guys are weird as fuck. I'm hacking right here, Bison. I mean, I'm lockpicking behind you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I'd be laugh offended. I don't even give a fuck. I know I can hack it. I'm chilling. It's funny though. The chat still like does that shit, you know, or like fucking Reddit or whoever the fuck.
Yo, Randy, you still good?
That Bubba can't hear us right now.
Yeah, let me cough. Yo, you good? Flippy's getting tased.
Where?
Where? Where? No, Randy, where are you?
Where, bro?
No. He got tased, bro. He had a...
Dumbass, where are they? Dumbass, where are they?
Where, bro?
Where?
We got a car. We got a
whip, boys.
We must be getting closer. I think.
You see Air 1 in there or anything?
No Air 1.
Yo, boys, where at?
We're shooting with...
Alright,
I'm getting the car right now.
No way. Ram, they're fucking with us, bro.
You should need a J.
Yeah, you guys are fucking with us, bro.
They're trolling us, man.
There's not even Air 1
wait.
here.
Oh, they're actually... I hear... Oh, wait. Is that real shots?
Oh, shit. Oh, shit, they are shooting.
Oh, they are shooting. But are they
dead?
shooting?
Y'all dead?
We're getting shot at.
Oh, these fucking guys, bro.
You guys are dumb as fuck.
What?
Guys, like, we're getting shot.
This fucking guy,
Yeah,
man.
this guy says you're in cuffs and then he starts talking on the radio. Oh, we're good. Go to Little Soul.
We killed 3 of them.
No, they didn't kill shit. These guys are just trolling.
This is why I hate Flippy, bro. He's a fucking bitch, you know?
Flippy always doing that shit, bruh.
Yo, shut up, Sir Lee.
Shut up.
Sir Lee, down my
Dumbass.
fucking...
It's
Sir Lee,
dumbass.
Nobody
dumbass.
knows your name, man.
That was sick.
Did they stop chasing you guys?
You intended to do that.
No, I did.
hit me with the boat and then she just said, alright, gotta go.
That's usually how it goes.
Oh yeah, baby?